My first step on number 14 is going to be to split up that radical. So the largest perfect square that divides into 128 is 64. So 64 goes into 128 two times, and then I still have that negative sign there. So the square root of 64 is equal to 8, and the square root of negative 1 is I. So my next step is going to be to split this up into two fractions. And then I want to reduce these. So 12 over 4 reduces to 3. 8 over 4 reduces to 2. So my final answer is 3 plus 2 times the square root of 2 times I.